Masroor. Today I'm going to talk to you all on very interesting topic, that is FOMO, fear of missing out. ये एक Gen Z slang है जो आपने काफ़ी बार सुना होगा सोशल मीडिया पे, and I would just like to tell you all some interesting points. So this will be in Q&A format, so just keep on watching till the end. It's an anxiety, a type of anxiety wherein the person might feel that he or she might be missing out on something very interesting or very exciting. तो वो एक झिझक रहती है या एक मन में एक हलचल रहती है कि why and how and where. So all these kind of questions keep on roaming in one's mind, and the person feels that he or she is going to miss out on something really important, something really significant, something which everyone is going to enjoy, and he or she might not be there, so will miss it out. That's the thing. It's considered a problematic attachment with the social media mostly, and yes, that's why it is bad. And I always say too much of anything is bad, so schedule it, try to see what you can really do, what you want to really watch, what interests you the most, and then go for it. Lack of sleep, emotional tensions, it has been also seen that it takes a toll on one's self-esteem. FOMO जो है, fear of missing out, has also been seen as one of the common struggles as well. Yes, there is an opposite to it, that is JOMO, joy of missing out, wherein the person feels extremely happy, extremely satisfied and calm about not getting into that hustle, not getting into that fear of missing out wala stuff. So the person finds joy, and yes, there exists a term. Limiting one's social media is highly advisable in this. Second thing is, you can always take a professional help. Practice self-care, know what you really want in your life, be realistic, learn to be in the present moment rather than worrying every time about missing out on something. Practice gratitude, जो आपके पास है उसके लिए धन्यवाद मांगे, उसके लिए शुक्रगुजार हो जाए. And know what you really need versus what you are comparing yourselves with. So दूसरों के वजह से या दूसरों के कंपैरिजन में अपनी जिंदगी बर्बाद ना करें. Focusing on one's own life experiences will always help you. Even when you start to challenge your negative thoughts, that will also help. And जहाँ पे चैलेंज की बात आती है वहाँ पे प्रोफेशनल हेल्प लेना बेटर होता है. सो इफ यू कैन देन रियली take the professional help, that is connect with the therapist or a counselor or psychologist, so that he or she will guide you on how to challenge your negative thoughts which might be coming due to overthinking, due to anything that is making you nervous or anxious. So वैसे आप कर सकते हो. माइंडफुलनेस प्रैक्टिस भी करिए, दैट विल बी इवन मोर बेनिफिशियल. लर्न टू बाइफिकेट what you really want versus what you don't want. That's all, everyone. Thank you so very much for watching this video till the end. If you have any questions, you're free to ask them in the comment section below, and there are more interesting topics coming up, so stay tuned for more such informative videos. कोई भी questions हो आप बिंदास मुझे पूछ सकते हो. You can even DM me on any of my Instagram as well as Facebook handles. Have a nice day.